Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I've got a little bit of an exciting one for me, this is. So I want to start off saying a massive thank you to Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. If you don't already know Vicky, I think most of you do know Vicky, but for those of you that don't know Vicky, I shall leave the link to her social media in the description box below, so you can go over and check her out. She does some really cute nails. She's also got her own nail art supply store, so I shall also link that in the description box below as well. So yeah, please head over there and show her some love. So today I've got some, look at all these, Aimeili goodies. So the reason I wanted to say a massive thank you to Vicky is because Vicky is a brand ambassador for Aimeili, and she had a little chat in their ear and managed to get me some PR as well. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, Vicky, for sorting this out for me. Really appreciate that. And I shall also leave the link for Aimeili's website in my description box below as well. Now I can't wait to give it all a swatch and see what it's like. So yeah, today I'm going to be swatching 3 gel polish sets, a top and base coat, and I'm not gonna try this today, but I will try this in another video because I'm going to be doing some stamping soon. So in my next stamping video, I shall give this a try as well. There's quite a few gel polishes to get through, guys, so I'm just going to crack straight on and get these swatched. I'll probably do a couple in real time with you like I usually do, and then speed the rest up and put some music on, and then come back in at the end. Ooh, so the top and base coat is the new packaging. Look at these. Now, because I'm swatching these on swatch sticks, I shan't be base coating them, but I shall just have a little look at it, see what it's like, if I can open it. It's quite a thick base coat. Oh, it's actually got quite a nice smell to it. Quite like that. Goes on lovely and smooth. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And inside the box you've got this instructions guide as well. It tells you the directions, warning, store in a cool place. And then you've got the ingredients as well on the back. There's their website, it's their Facebook. And it says here, Aimeili base coat, curing UV lamp for 1 minute, LED light for 30 seconds. Aimeili gel colour cures in a UV lamp for 2 minutes, LED light for 30 to 60 seconds. And then the no wipe top coat cures in a UV lamp for 2 minutes, LED for 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds actually. So yeah, that comes in the box with the top coat and base coat. So I'm going to start off by swatching this one first. Aimeili Soak Off UV LED Gel 6-piece 10mm kit set 1 new. If I can find the name for this set, guys, I shall pop a picture in the top left hand corner of the screen. If I can't find the name, I shall leave a link to it in my description box. So again, inside this box you've got the instructions, ingredients, all the boxes have got that in, and they come packaged like this, 6 in a kit. Alright, so first colour is 005. Ooh, this is lovely and creamy and pigmented. You can see these being really opaque. Look at that. Love how that self-levels in front of your eyes. So that's 005. And we've got 007. So this is the black. That's not bad actually. Over a white swatch stick, I don't think that is bad at all for the first coat. I'll be curious to see what it's like after the second and that it doesn't wrinkle in the lamp. So that is 007, 009, it's a nice pink, 001, this is their white, I probably should have done that on a clear swatch stick really, 022, really light pink, that cute. And then the last one in this set is 023. Ooh, this looks pretty. Look at this one. It's a right Bobby Dazzler. Look at that one. 023. Gorgeous glittery one, that. Right guys, so that's them all swatched. This one, I would call this more of a topper. I've had to do 3 coats on that. If you want to use it as a full cover colour like I have there, then I suggest doing 3 coats of this one. But if you just want to use it as a topper over a colour, then you'd get away with 1 coat on that. So now I'm going to try the Aimeili No Wipe top coat. Let's have a little look at it. It's really nice consistency. Hasn't got much of a smell to it either, which I love. So now I'm gonna pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds and see if it cures in my lamp, guys, and I'll let you know. Yeah, 30 seconds is plenty, and I've got a 54 watt LED lamp, and that is plenty, guys. All cured. Super shiny. Look how shiny that is. Yeah. Really, really nice top coat. So, I'm going to top coat the rest of these off camera. And then we'll get on and do the next kit. So I think I'm going to swatch these ones next, guys. These are thermochromic gel polishes. You get 4 in a kit. So the first one's TC05. It's different, isn't it? Look at that. It's like a reddy brown. It's got like bits of bronze glitter in there. Really unusual. I can't wait to see what that looks like when it's warm. TC06. I've noticed these are quite gloopy, thick. I don't know whether they're supposed to be like that. If anyone has got these, let me know if yours is really thick, please, guys, because I'm finding these really, really thick. I think there's something wrong with these gel polishes. Don't think they're supposed to look like that, but we'll see. We'll see how they go. TC07. The last one in this set is TC08. TC08. So that's them all swatched. They've all had a coat of the non-wipe shiny top coat. How pretty are they? Super pretty, aren't they? Really pretty. So that is them when they're cold. That is that one when it's hot. Look at that one, guys, when that one gets hot. Love that blue colour. That look lovely on a nail. Obviously where your nail's hot, it's going to be light blue, and where the end is, it's cold, it's going to be that purpley blue. This one, look at that pink, super pretty. And then this one goes to like a really light pink. I like this. Look at that. And they stay for quite a while. I mean, look how long ago I touched that. Still white. This one's not lasting as long. But yeah, I really, really like them. I'd just be curious to know whether they're supposed to be gloopy like that. So that's them ones all swatched. Now we're on to the last set. So this one is set number 12. I think this might be the code here. So the first one in this set is 055. Ooh, wow, look at this, guys. Look at that pink. And for a neon gel polish, tell you what, that is not bad coverage at all. Look at that. And I do really thin coats. Look at that, guys, for one coat. I don't think that's bad at all. So that's 055. We've got 056. I actually think this is even brighter than the last one. Wow. Zero 57. That's a pretty like pinky purple. 058. that's a pretty one. It's a bit like a jelly pink purple. Pinky purple. Really pretty. 059. Gorgeous baby blue, really like that. And then the last one is 060. Right guys, that is them all swatched. They've all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the Aimeili non-wipe shiny top coat. I'm really, really happy with them. They're actually really pigmented, really, really opaque. So yeah, a couple of them needed 2 coats, but some of them you could get away with 1 coat, some of them you needed 2 coats, but none of them needed 3 coats. Other than this glitter, which I explained earlier, they was all either 1 coat or 2 coaters, yeah. And I absolutely love this top coat. This top coat is, I'd say it's more on the thicker side of a top coat, but it's not too thick. It's a really nice consistency and it's super shiny. Look how shiny that is. I mean, don't look at the lumps and bumps because I think that is something to do with the gel polish. But yeah, it's super, super shiny. Really shiny. So like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, I'm going to leave the link to Aimeili's website in the description box below. So if you want to go over there and check it out, you can do. They've got some really nice gel polish sets and they're really affordable as well. They're not expensive. I shall leave their website linked in my description box below. I just want to say again a massive, massive thank you to Vicky. Thank you so much for getting this all set up for me and having a cheeky little word for me. I really, really appreciate that. You really are an angel. Thank you, babe. So don't forget to check Vicky out, guys, as well, if you don't already know Vicky. I shall leave the link to her social media in my description box also. So please go and show us some love. I can't stop playing with these. I'm like a big kid. You know these are going on my nails next, don't you? No, if I end up putting them on my nails, I'll never get no work done. I'll be too busy rubbing my nails all day. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.